Hey buddy, this is Online Gadgets. Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for the best RC trucks? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC trucks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. BLUEJAY Remote Control Car. The BLUEJAY 112 Monster RC truck is an absolute blast and far exceeded my expectations. With a top speed of 33 km per hour, this RC car delivers thrilling performance that feels fast, responsive, and exciting right out of the box. The 2.4 GHz remote control ensures smooth operation with no interference, even when multiple RC cars are being used at the same time. The build quality is impressive. The truck feels solid and durable, easily handling rough terrain like grass, gravel, dirt, and pavement. The off-road suspension and large tires provide excellent grip and stability, making jumps and sharp turns incredibly fun. The LED headlights are a great bonus, adding a cool look and making it usable in low-light conditions. Battery life is very good for a high-speed RC car, and the rechargeable battery charges conveniently and lasts long enough for extended play sessions. Both kids and adults will appreciate how easy it is to control while still offering enough power to stay exciting. This RC truck is a perfect gift for kids ages 8 to 12, teens, and even adults who enjoy RC hobbies. It strikes the perfect balance between speed, durability, and ease of use. Number 2. HAIBOXING 2997A Brushless RC Cars. The HAIBOXING 2997A 112-scale brushless RC truck is an absolute powerhouse and easily one of the fastest and most exciting RC cars in its class. With a brushless motor and independent ESC, this truck delivers incredible acceleration and a blistering top speed of up to 45 miles per hour, making it perfect for experienced users and thrill seekers. The 4WD system provides outstanding traction and control across all types of terrain, including dirt, gravel, grass, sand, and pavement. The suspension is well-tuned and absorbs bumps effortlessly, allowing for stable high-speed runs and confident off-road driving. Despite its speed, the truck remains surprisingly easy to handle and feels well-balanced during sharp turns and jumps. Build quality is excellent. Solid materials, reinforced chassis, and durable components make it tough enough to handle aggressive driving. The RTR, ready-to-run, design is a big plus, and the flexibility to run 3S batteries, not included, gives users the option to unlock maximum performance when they're ready. This RC truck is clearly designed with adults and older kids in mind. Beginners can still enjoy it by starting at lower speeds, while experienced drivers will appreciate the raw power and responsiveness. It's an outstanding choice for anyone looking to step into high-performance RC without jumping to a full hobby-grade race platform. Number 3. HAIBOXING 118-scale all-terrain RC car. The HAIBOXING 18859 118-scale RC car is an impressive little powerhouse that delivers outstanding performance for its size. With a top speed of 36 kph, this 4WD electric RC truck offers quick acceleration, smooth handling, and plenty of excitement for both kids and adults. The 4x4 drivetrain provides excellent traction across a variety of surfaces, including grass, dirt, gravel, sand, and pavement. Thanks to its waterproof design, you don't have to worry about splashes or wet conditions, making it great for outdoor adventures in almost any environment. The suspension system does a great job absorbing bumps, keeping the car stable even during fast off-road runs. Control is precise and reliable using the 2.4 GHz remote, allowing multiple cars to run at the same time without interference. One of the biggest highlights is the inclusion of 2 rechargeable batteries, which significantly extends playtime and reduces downtime between runs. Despite its compact 118 scale, the build quality feels solid and durable, capable of handling flips, jumps, and rough play. It's easy to operate for beginners while still offering enough speed to keep experienced RC fans entertained. Number 4. GO H16BM 1/16 scale brushless RC car. The GO H16BM 1/16 scale brushless RC car delivers incredible performance in a compact size, making it one of the most exciting RC trucks in its class. With a brushless motor and 4x4 drivetrain, this RC car rockets to speeds of up to 42 miles per hour, offering insane acceleration and thrilling top-end performance. Despite its smaller 1/16 scale, the build quality is outstanding. The reinforced chassis, metal drivetrain components, and oil-filled shocks allow it to handle aggressive off-road driving with ease. It performs exceptionally well on dirt, grass, gravel, sand, and pavement, while the 4WD system ensures excellent traction and control even at high speeds. The RTR, ready to run, setup makes it easy to get started right out of the box. The included 2 LiPo batteries provide extended runtime, and the ability to upgrade to a 3S LiPo unlocks even more speed for experienced drivers. The responsive remote control offers precise steering and throttle control, helping maintain stability during fast runs and sharp turns. This RC truck is clearly designed for adults and advanced users, but it also includes adjustable settings that make it manageable for less experienced drivers. It's fast, tough, and incredibly fun to drive. Number 5. GO H16PL 1/16 RTR Fast Brushless RC. The GO H16PL 1/16 scale brushless RC buggy is an impressive high-speed machine that delivers serious performance in a compact package. With a powerful brushless motor and 4WD drivetrain, this buggy reaches speeds of up to 38 miles per hour, offering quick acceleration, tight handling, and adrenaline-filled runs that both adults and experienced RC enthusiasts will love. Designed with racing and bashing in mind, the low-profile buggy chassis provides excellent balance and cornering stability, especially at high speeds. It feels planted on pavement, dirt, and packed gravel, while the oil-filled shocks and durable suspension handle jumps and rough terrain with ease. The 4WD system ensures strong traction and smooth power delivery, even during aggressive driving. The RTR, ready to run, setup makes getting started quick and easy, and the included 2000 mAh LiPo battery offers solid runtime and consistent power. Steering and throttle response are precise and predictable, making the H16PL fun to drive while still challenging enough to keep things exciting.